Today I'll be showing you how to drag and drop images from Lightroom Classic to create a photo book in our Presto Photo app. Our recommended Presto workflow is to create a new cloud sync collection for each project you wish to create. For example, Family Photo Book. After creating a new collection, simply click the Sync checkbox next to the collection title. You will see the icon change, and the Cloud Sync icon in the upper right corner will begin to show activity as it uploads your images. When classic collections are synced to the cloud, you can see them along with your other cloud-based albums from standard Lightroom. You will see once the syncing has been completed that your collection is in Lightroom. Now we must sync Lightroom to your Presto Photo app. Go to your Presto Photo app and create a project. Once created, simply select the Lightroom icon in the lower left image of the tray panel. You will be prompted to sign into your Adobe account. Sign in and you will see the images from Lightroom Classic are now in your app. Cloud Sync collections in Classic use a Smart Preview by default. This limits cloud images to a max pixel resolution of 2560 by 2560. Fortunately, there is a quick workaround that will give you full resolution images in the cloud. Click on an image from your cloud collection and the image size initially looks to be full resolution. Now drop the image onto a page in your book. After dropping the image, select the image in the Assets tray again and you will see the resolution has a max of 2560 by 2560 pixels, and Presto Photo will now show a resolution warning. Adobe has limited cloud storage for classic collections, however they do not deduct from your storage quota. To get the full resolution images in Lightroom Classic collections, you will be adding the source image files to the collection via regular Lightroom, and thus be using more storage in the cloud. In Classic, right-click on any image in the synced collection and select Show in Finder to locate the locally stored images. Go to Lightroom and drag those images from their local location to sync. You will note that there are no images being added, but the source of the images are now full resolution. Jumping back to the Presto Photo app, simply refresh your Classic Cloud collection, and you will see now that there are no longer any warning notes regarding resolution. You can continue creating without resolution concerns. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, chat with our live support or send an email over to support@prestophoto.com on our website prestophoto.com. Have a great day!